In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Facebook dating option not showing. So normally if you want to access the Facebook dating, what you have to do is simply open Facebook. After that, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, if you tap on the option see more, you should be able to find the option for dating. But if you do not find the option for dating over here, it might be hidden. So for that, tap on this option settings and privacy that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, tap on this option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. Simply scroll down. Check the section for preferences. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for tab bar. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to find two options over here. Tap on this option, customize the bar that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to customize the navigation bar. See if dating option is hidden. If it is hidden, simply tap on the option hidden and tap on the option pin. After you do that, you should be able to see the option for dating. But for me, dating option is not available. If it is not available for you too, maybe your application is not updated. So for that, update the application. Launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Facebook. You should be able to see the option for Facebook over here. Tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the Facebook will be updated. After you do that, your problem should be solved and you should be able to see the Facebook dating option. But still, if the option is not available for you, maybe it is because of your country or reason. The Facebook dating option is not available in all the countries. If you lie in one of those countries or regions, simply wait for Facebook to make it available. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Facebook dating option not showing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.